an opportunity to talk with you a few years ago and share some information just about our nonprofit niche, client interactions, all of those kind of things. And I know we're back together again just to share how things have maybe changed or grown throughout the last few years.
So last time we talked, there were a number of new clients we brought on, as you mentioned, and over the past handful of years, we got to see them really grow, change their operations, maybe make new entities, new programs. We're right there alongside of them, making sure that their processes, their controls are still in place, still effective, and still efficient. As these clients grow, sometimes they need to change a little bit of their controls or their processes. For example, maybe they had 2 check signers on every check before. Maybe they can bump up that threshold to save them some time as they're really growing their operations. So it's been amazing to see some of our nonprofit clients grow throughout these years and be a partner with them along the whole process.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know one specifically that we had talked about last time, the transition from a smaller accounting firm now working with us, and I think they had some delays in their audit issuance, kind of just some delays back and forth with the clients. How has that improved from an efficiency standpoint from our end?
Yeah, it's definitely become a lot more efficient on our ends, the client's end. We have been staying in communication better, and throughout the planning process, we want to make sure we're not just their auditors, we're their partners the entire year. So we've been staying in constant communication throughout the year to know what changes are happening, what growth is happening in the organization, so that we can help them through that process. But also when it comes to the audit time, our team knows what to expect. We can let their team know what to expect, what's going to change, what might look different. There's going to be some different risks associated with them as they grow their operations. And we've been able to help them kind of mold their finance team to be helpful with their new growth and operation strategy. So new people are having new responsibilities, and it's really helping everything flow smoother in the audit process.
Well, that's wonderful. Yeah, I know you mentioned being partners throughout the year. What are your thoughts on clients reaching out with questions throughout the year? Do you encourage that? I know we get sometimes questions whether or not they'd be billed extra for that time too. Maybe speak a little bit on that.
Yes, absolutely reach out to us during the year. We want to know what's going on in the organizations year round. Just like they don't like surprises come audit time, we don't like surprises as the auditors. So we want to know what's happening, what's changing during the year. If there's questions on how to account for something or process improvement, we like to be involved there. We're not going to nickel and dime them for every little email we answer, and it'll actually save us time on the back end, knowing up front what changes are happening.
Thank you. Yeah, I definitely want to encourage our clients to reach out to us throughout the year. I always like to say we're our auditors year round, not just during the audit time, right? So it does make things more efficient for us.